Hello and welcome back to We Dared Chemistry. In today's video, we are going to solve the textbook question 48 of chapter -2 Structure of Atom of Class 1. So the question is, in astronomical observations, signals observed from the distant stars are generally weak. If the photon detector receives a total of 3.15 multiplied by 10 rises to the power -18J from the radiations of 600 nanometers, calculate the number of photons received by the detector solution from the expression of energy of one photon E is equal to hc by lambda, where lambda denotes the wavelength of radiation, h is Planck's constant. C denotes the velocity of the radiation. Substituting these value in expression of E is equal to 6.6 into 10 rises to the power -34 joule second into 3 into 10 rises to the power 8 meter per second divided by 600 into 10 rises to the power -9. After solving this we get 3.313 into 10 to the power -19. Energy held by one photon is equal to 3.313 into 10 to the power -19. Number of photon received with 3.15 multiplied by 10 rises to the power -18J. Energy is 3.15 multiplied by 10 rises to the power -18 divided by 3.313 into 10 to the power -19, which is equal to 9.5. Approximate 10. That is all for today. Keep studying with We Dared Chemistry.